should take it slow.
So guys, in this video we're going to do OBS Studio tutorial. So this is the updated one of 25.0.1. So I'm going to go through it all now. So go to OBS project.com. I'll put a link in the description. So if the mic's low, I can't do it about that. Open source software, broadcast software. So version 25 come out the other day, but obviously they've brought a new version out one just to fix 3 bugs, but it's no difference. 25 is the same, but it just means it's a bug fix, so there's a bug in it. Well, it's been fixed. So what we're going to do, go here, pick operating system, but this video is for Windows users only right now, because as you see, Mac and Linux have not got 25 version yet. So I'm not going to be typing the video against Windows, but when you're watching this it should be out. I think it's out tomorrow, and you're seeing this is probably tomorrow when I'm filming this. So you know, obviously all the settings are the same for Mac and all that shit, but obviously because this is new one, this new update has a few issues. But this video is based on CPU settings only. So yeah, X264. You check and just click whatever one. I'm not going to click it because I've already got it installed. And here's OBS right here. So when you get it, it will get playing like this, exactly the same. It asks you, do you want to do an automatic thing? You could do it, but you're here, so these are the best for not high end, but mid and low end range. Not the best, but it gets the job done. If you want to just, you know, leave it on the stream, but obviously depends on your PC, but this would be similar to you. If you've got a bit worse, put one lower, okay? But most of the settings will be the same, except from the quality, because you're streaming depends on your bitrate. But don't worry about that, we're going to go through all it in this video. So first thing we're going to do is go to settings. Our PC so right now. So we're going to make this a bit bigger. We can't make it bigger. So the general page, leave exactly the same, but obviously this is your personal choice. Your theme, stream, what what location you want to stream at. For me, for me it's YouTube, so I'm going to click YouTube. Output, go to advanced output settings. X264 encoding. Untick in for streaming server settings. So what it means is if you're streaming site, so YouTube, they force audio bitrate to 128, but if you're streaming you can put it higher. Yeah. So for bitrate, depends what quality it is. Go to video first. Well, we'll go last. Right, just say I'm going to be streaming. This video is based on 720p settings. So with 720p 30, the maximum bitrate is 4000. Let's chuck it 4000. Keyframe info settings, put 2. CPU, leave it on very fast. You can go to super fast or ultra fast. Ultra fast has a few bugs, but I don't know if it's been fixed. But very fast is a mid range, bit fixation, but bit good. It's like good enough, you know. It's perfect enough for streaming. Profile, put high. What it basically is, high means PC and PS4 users will get a better experience loading and quality, or main is mobile users and tablet users. So depends on your audience. If you've got more audience who watch that phone, do phone. What most people, about 70% of people will watch YouTube on phones, but it's best to put it high because then you're guaranteed to keep it good quality. Tone, leave normal, leave this empty. So let's go to recording, any format you want. I would recommend MP4. It can have a few bugs like if you crash your game or anything, but it's the most reliable for any software, so you don't have to worry about changing it or whatever. So recording X264. Oh yeah, by the way, the CBR, put CBR. So for bitrate for recording, for 720/30, 7,000. It's up to you, but 7,000 is the lowest you want to go. You don't want to go no lower than that. Put this as 0, leave it default, leave it exactly the same and put that high. Or if you're recording, you can put it higher, but it depends on your PC, because obviously, if you don't know, recording will take more strain. Just say I'm going to stream, right? My PC takes 30% of my CPU. Recording I take probably at 50 or 60. So streaming is always easier to stream. So leave it at that. So audio bitrate for stream, leave 160. For recording, 320. That's what I'm recording this in right now. Obviously, when I stream daily, I stream with stream amps all the time and record with stream amps all the time. So yeah, leave it for me. But as you can see, track 1 is audio bitrate 160 for streaming. What that is there. Put it on recording as well. How do I get the videos to better quality? Tick number 2 and untick 1. Done. You're 320. And I'll show you at the end of the video as well how to enable all audio to go to track 2. So that's it. Save your file location. That's all personal opinion. Now we're gonna go to audio. Sample rate, I'd recommend 48, but it really depends on your PC. I'm going to load mine up now. My PC right now is being an idiot, but it's because I'm recording so high quality. I've got lots of software though. I know about my PCs. I know. Leave me alone. I'm not going to edit this out because I'm a lazy bastard. Lazy bastard. I'm just joking, guys. Right, I'm going to show you now. So go to the control panel. Go to this. Open up your speakers. Go to advanced. Excuse me. I have in my laptop. I have Beats Audio. So I have 24-bit, 48 Hz studio quality. Most people will be 16-bit, 48 DVD quality. Basically, that's why just basically my laptop's better quality. That's how I put better quality videos out on audio wise. But it's no difference. It is a lot of difference, but you know, most people can have that. It's just because I've got a high-end one. So, say my hertz is 48. Right, you want to put this exactly the same. So put it to 48 hertz. And all this, I'll show you what to do. Right, device audio for most will be default. Microphone, most will be default. This comes like this. Untick it. It's so you can have more louder volumes. So it don't depend on your volume or bit. Depends on separate in the OBS. It's good. So you want to have it loud in your ears but quiet in the stream, you can. Sorry for being quiet on the mic. There's nothing I can do about it. So go to video tab. We said 720p streaming. So whatever your base cam is, whatever it is, mine's 1080. Outputting 720. Make sure it's 16.9 A ratio. Put this to Lanczos. If you've got a low end PC, go higher. But Lanczos the best quality. You can do 30 FPS or 29.7, but leave it at 30. You'll be good enough right there. Hotkeys, personal opinions. I can't show you how to do that. I can. You just push it, press a button. As you can see, if I press the dot, we've got a key there, but obviously I don't need it. Advanced, put processor priority to high. If you're not gaming on the same PC you're streaming. Well, if it's like a game called Roblox, so you'll be fine. But if you're streaming like Fortnite on the same PC, you want it high. But if you're using a ghetto and that, you know. Color source, 601 and thingy, what you call it. That's good enough. For gaming stream, for music streams where you just have like a picture, like there's a picture or a looped video, 7.9 and full, the color. But for games, you don't want too colorful because it'd be too dark. I've experienced that issue. So go down the list. Dynamic change bitrate. If you're streaming to if you're streaming to the Twitch or anything like that, go ahead. But for YouTube, it's not really supported. If you lose bitrate, YouTube stream just crashes anyway. So there's nothing you can do about that. It just goes. So leave it default. And that's it. Now it's going to tell me after I apply these settings Do you want to reset? Say yes. I just got wait. So guys, I would edit it out, but you know. Alright, so this is all my settings I've got on my OBS settings as it's in my show. My desktop's going for some reason. So, if you want to start streaming, you can add a display capture, but my OBS don't work for that. It's buggy, so you know, there's nothing I can do about that. So you need to add your stuff and then click go live. Obviously I haven't got nothing in there. Or click record. That's it for the version OBS Studios version 25.0.1 64-bit Windows. Thanks for watching this video. I know it's been 2 months since I last did one, 4 months really, but what was the point if there weren't a new version? So yeah, thanks for watching the video. Drop a like. I'm gonna use OBS. A link will be in the description for OBS Studios. Stream of the OBS settings that's coming out soon, what I use for all my content. So yeah, thanks for watching. Peace and goodbye.